Hello and welcome to my Sunday From. Today we just have a simple recipe, which is gonna be seafood boil, and I just want to boil up this water and kind of make a broth to get all this stuff in. And so I chose this sazon Iberia. I thought it was better than shrimp bouillon or chicken bouillon, so I just want to try it. And it smells really good. This is just the thing that I want to put in. Now I have this lime pepper and I don't want it too salty, so I'm gonna put a pinch of lime pepper in there and also a pinch of lemon pepper. And then I'll add some Cajun seasoning. And I'll put 3 spoonfuls in here, just like that. And the next thing I'm gonna do is probably peel these, chop the corn and the sausage. So the sausage, I kind of want like big chunks in here. So I will cut kind of chunky, like this big, and put them in. And you can do it how you want to do it. I actually wanted to use little smokies, but I just didn't. This was $1, so I didn't want to pay $4 for it when I got like way less. So that looks good. It's pretty basic, but I mean, it works for me. It works. And these, I don't really know how else to peel them except for with water. So I kind of just crack them and like use water to rinse off the shell. And I think that's like the smartest idea for me. But this looks pretty easy. I mean, I'm not too sure how this will hold up, so I might want to hold off on putting egg in there. Does this disintegrate? I don't know. And then I'll peel the other one just the same. I just crack it on the bottom and then just grab the peel off the top and continue. But people don't really know how to peel eggs. I don't either. I usually just let the water do all the magic. This is basically it. I don't like the grit from peeling them, so I kind of like to make sure all of the little pieces are off. And then we'll add the crab meat. No, I'll add the crab meat last because that's kind of smelly. And just corn. People don't know how to open up corns, so basically you just kind of, you can break the bottom if you want and pull off the top. I used to love fresh corn when I was growing up. The best. It's the best vegetable. these little silks, they just come right off. You can rinse it off and they come right off. I don't really care. Corn silk is actually a diuretic. It helps you urinate, I guess. But I mean, you can probably just break it into little pieces, I guess, like that. And I think this is fine for me, to be honest. I'm gonna put everything in one. Get this can open and drained. And ooh, we'll see how good this tastes. I feel like this is novice seafood oil, but you know what they say, home is where the heart is. And I'm putting my heart in it, so. Let's get this open. It says open here. It's a resealable bag. And let's see. In here. And I'll just use the knife to pry it open. And just get the meat out and into the boil. So that's all the meat I had. I kind of want to stir in the seasoning. And break everything, all the meat up right here. So that way it gets enough flavor. And everything's kind of cooked all together and the flavors meld. It's not a potato boil, it's a seafood boil. So we're gonna let it cook up and boil up, and we'll be back. I was thinking maybe I should add something to it, and I was thinking cayenne sounds good, and I don't really have a lot of seasonings that are paprika based, so I kind of just wanted to add a little bit of this just to give it a little bit of tweak. And I think it's kind of like a watered down thing, so I'm gonna add another pack of sazon and see if that helps. Here I have a pack of sazon. We're gonna try to see if this helps the situation any. And just pour it in. I should have known though, like it needed a base, like boulder base. But this corn has to finish cooking up. This crab has to finish cooking up. And it has to be seasoned properly. So I'm trying to work quickly. And yeah, the sausage are all the way on the bottom. But I'm not gonna mess with it too much. I'm just gonna let it boil. So we're back and everything looks just about ready. Actually, I'm just gonna plate it up and see what it looks like. So I'll get in here and pull whatever I can out. Some potatoes, an egg, some sausage. I don't want any more egg, and corn. So that looks pretty fair. I think I'll have this That looks pretty good. So this is what I'm having, my seafood boil, and I'm gonna try it out and see if I like it like this. And it's really fast and easy, and since it's just me eating it, yeah, I can't wait to dig in and try it. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a like, comment, share, subscribe. I sound different. Bye bye.